and thank you so much for watching. My name is Olivia if you're new, and welcome back if you're not. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Woo! Today's video is going to be well, you already know by the title, but it's gonna be a what's in my bag video. Thumbnail. Thumbnail. Just kidding. Anywho, yes, today is gonna be a what's in my bag video. My bag is a Kate Spade video. It's been a rough day today, guys. My bag is a Kate Spade bag. Rest in peace, Kate Spade. That has a crossbody strap to it. I got this bag about, honestly, 3-4 years ago, and I think that I've kept it pretty good considering I use it all the time. I think I kept it in pretty good shape. Okay. Still got a shine to it. But yeah, Kate Spade bag. I just absolutely love this bag. I'll put the name of the actual bag that I have because I forgot the name of it. But I got this bag, I think this is the most expensive bag that I've ever purchased. This is the only luxury bag, honestly, that I have ever purchased. And I got it for about $120, to be honest. The only luxury bag I've ever purchased and the only luxury bag that I have, which I absolutely love. So that's why I wanted to make sure that I use this for today's video. So starting off, I have my trusted iPhone. You guys, I have an iPhone 11 Pro Max. So my trusted phone. Onto another electronic that I have that I fit into this bag is actually my iPad, and it fits perfectly into this bag. I put it into a little slot here just to kind of show you what the inside looks like a little bit. It has 2 slots, 1, 2, and then we have the main slot, and it has different components in it, which we're gonna go into today as well. But yes, I carry my iPad with me. I absolutely love my iPad. I use this instead of using a like an agenda. I used to carry calendars and agendas all the time, but everything's just on my iPad now, and I feel like it's a lot easier just to write everything here. Next, can't go without, obviously, a mask. I mean, it's today's normal, right? And I actually normally carry 2 masks in here just in case my boyfriend forgets his, which he normally does. So that's it for those 2 sides that I just emptied. Now on to in here, I have my glasses case. This is just a standard Silhouette case for my glasses. The brand is called Silhouette, and just a standard glasses case. I have deodorant. I do use men's deodorant. For those of you guys who don't know, I actually suffer from an anxiety disorder, so I sweat a lot, and this is the only deodorant that helps, to be honest. This is the Old Spice Pure Sport High Endurance Antiperspirant, and deodorant, and it's the only one that works for me. I might smell a little cologne-y sometimes, but I'd rather smell like that than funk, okay? So that's my deodorant. Also, for today's climate, I have wipies. I packed up on some of these wipies, especially right when the pandemic started. To be honest, before even the pandemic started, I've always been a fan of these wipes, and I've always carried them in my purse. But when the pandemic started, I definitely got a few more just in case, so I always keep wet ones in my purse. And along with that, I also am always keeping hand sanitizer in my purse as well. I don't know why, but I have 2 deodorants. It's the same one. Don't know why, but okay. Just in case, I always carry my USB cord and my charging port for my camera because you never know when you're gonna need it. I never know when I need it, so I always carry it with me. Next is my wallet. This is not a real one, okay? It's not a real Louis Vuitton, but it's the closest one to it, okay? And I got it off of Walmart, I think, for about $15-20. But this, I just carry all of my cards, ID, everything in here, and it's super cute. It's a little dupe for the real Louis Vuitton one, but I absolutely love it. I don't like to carry really big chunky wallets with me because I carry so much stuff in my purse as it is. I feel like it's just too chunky, so I like to just keep it simple, and I carry this. Next, I have my makeup bobby pin hair type situation going on here. In here, I keep my lip glosses that I would be using, lip glosses and lip liners that I use throughout the day. Some more lipstick in here. I have some scissors in here. Don't really know why, but you never know when you're gonna need it. Another lipstick that I use, and then I have a a nail filer. You never know when you're gonna need it. I have a nail filer in here, and then I have some bobby pins in here because I like to keep my hair up. I have curly hair, things get out of place. You never know when another girl will need it as well. Gotta keep bobby pins in there, okay? And I also keep my Nivea cream. This is an absolute must-have. I have a huge one that I keep at home. I use that as a moisturizer for my body and my face, and I like to keep this, especially now that it's getting cooler, I like to keep it for my hands because my hands tend to get really dry. I mean, like flaky, like men's type of hands dry, as if I'm a construction worker or something. Like, my hands get dry, and this truly helps. It just drinks it all up, you know? Drinks it all up, you guys. And that is all that I have as my what's in my bag. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It is a little bit of a short video, but I hope you really liked it, and thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe down below and join the family. Sorry for the glare in my glasses. I have to wear glasses because I can't see. But I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a like and make sure you subscribe down below. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.